Hello coders. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about how to use the new union operators for dictionaries in Python. This feature has been included in Python 3.9. You can read about it on PEP 584 on this link. So in this video, I'm gonna show examples of how to use the merge operator, the update operator, and also what happens when both dictionaries have common keys. So first, let's see how the merge operator works. The merge operators use this pipe symbol and it takes two dictionaries and returns a new one. So let's see this code example. I'm gonna create two dictionaries here. BMW 2 for McLaren, 3 for Ferrari. Okay, I'm gonna create car brands 2 for Jeep, 5 Toyota. All right, so now we are going to merge both of these dictionaries in this all brands dictionary. So car brands 1, pipe, car brands 2, and we can print the result, all brands. Okay, so this is a Python 3.9 feature, so I have it installed here, Python 3.9 union operators. So here we have it. We have a brand new dictionary, merging dictionary 1 to Ferrari and 2 including Jeep and Toyota. The other operator is the update operator. It uses the pipe and the equals like this. I'm gonna use the same dictionaries to show this example. And I'm gonna use this operator like this. Car brands 5 equals car brands 2. So the update operator updates the dictionary on the left side of the operator with the items of the dictionary on the right side. It doesn't generate a new dictionary like the merge operator does. So it will change the first one here, the one on the left of the operator. So let's print car brands 1 to see the result here. Okay, so you can see we have the same result as before, but instead of having a brand new dictionary, we just use car brands 1 updated with the values from car brands 2. Now, what happens if both dictionaries have common keys? You can see that car brands 1 have keys 1, 2, and 3. Car brands 2 have keys 4 and 5. Let's see an example of when we have common keys. I'm gonna reuse car brands 1, and in car brands 2, I'm gonna include another key and I'm gonna use Suzuki for this. You can see it has the same key as Ferrari. I'm gonna use the merge operator again, all brands, car brands 1, car brands 2, and check the result. Okay, so what will happen here is notice both dictionaries have the key number 3 here, car brands for Ferrari, car brands for Suzuki. But since car brands 2 is on the right side of the operator here, the number 3 Suzuki will prevail over the one on car brands 1. Let's see how this works. Here, you can see we have 1 BMW, 2 McLaren, 3 Suzuki, then Jeep, then Toyota. You can see that Suzuki prevailed over Ferrari in this example. So that's it. I hope you like the video. Subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.